Okay, so right now I will show you how you can add the contact widget to the home screen of your iPhone. It is pretty simple to do, and by default you don't really have to do much in terms of like downloading stuff. But basically you have to be somewhere on the home screen like this. And what you have to do is to hold down anywhere on the home screen until you edit, or you get to the edit mode where every single icon is going to start to shake. In this case, locate the plus button at the top like this, so it is right there, click on it, and you have a couple of widgets which already show up by default. So you can see here is the TikTok, you have some different stuff in here, you can scroll through it, and if you scroll down long enough, you will get to the list of all available apps which support widgets. So they are sorted alphabetically, scroll down to find the C, and here is the contacts. So if you click on contacts, you have three options. So you have the option of adding just the widget, which is going to be of one person only, and it's going to be the square of a small size. So this one can be added. The basic description of this type of widget is that you can easily check the status of the people that you care about the most. So in case you would have some missed calls from that person or a message, you would see that on the widget as well. Then you have multiple people which you can add in here. So you can, for example, add a stack, or a widget of 4 people, which you can easily just click on and get into touch with them easily just from the home screen. Or you have this even larger one, which fits not 8, because yeah, in the small one fits 4 people, the large one should fit 8 people, but it only fits 6, and the things or the icons are bigger. So that's how it works. And yeah, you can of course customize which people are going to show up there. So let me just add this widget to the home screen like this. So this is how it works. And when I hit it done, everything just disappears. So that's okay. Right now, if I want to edit the widget, I'm just going to hold down on it once again, click on edit widget. It's going to flip like this, and I can switch from different contacts. So I can click on the contact which is showing up right here, and I can switch it to something else, which is completely fine. Also, I can reorganize some of them like this, so I can just grab it by the handle and reorganize them without a problem. So I can make or decide whichever shows up at the top, which one shows closer to the bottom, whatever I like. So this is something which you can do, and it's easy to organize them and add the contacts to the home screen. So that would be like the way how you can do it. But besides that, there are probably other apps for the contacts as well. So this was using just the built-in method. If you go ahead and open up the App Store, go to the search and type in contacts, you will be able to notice that besides the built-in one from Apple, we have some different ones available, and those may offer you with widget options as well. It's not really that likely. People don't really just use like different third-party apps for contacts. The built-in one is really just okay, but if you want to, there is already, for example, a specific widgets app for contacts, which allows you to add them to even the lock screen, or you can add up to 10 people like this to the home screen. You can call them, message, WhatsApp, FaceTime, whatever. So perhaps you want to download a third-party app for some other extensions, but yeah, it's up to you to decide what you really want to do it. But these were the basic methods on how you can do it. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, leave a thumbs up, most definitely. But also check out the Foxtecc educational platform, which you can join for free. It's linked down below, and there you can find much more, definitely like more content available in terms of like social media, video editing course is there for free, and much more that you can find there. So go ahead and check it out right now, and I'll wait for you on the inside. So thanks a lot for watching. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you later.